morning, respected media officials. On behalf of DM Healthcare, I welcome all of you to this press meet, and thank you very much for accepting our invitation and being with us on this very special occasion.
Thank you very much for honoring us by your presence. For us, this is a very, very, very important moment. We have been here for a long time, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of God and by the blessings of, by the patronage of the visionary rulers of this country, as well as support of the officials and great encouragement from the press. We have done extremely well over quarter century. We have grown in bits and pieces and reached here, and we now recognize that we are large enough to be known as a conglomerate or a large corporate. So we thought that we should put this in perspective and make people know that we are one among the largest healthcare providers in the region. So we decided that we will do a consolidation of our brands, which is now scattered in different brand names. Earlier it was all different names for individual establishments. Then we bought a branding about 5 years back, where we started calling our clinics the med centers, our pharmacies the med shops, and generally our hospitals and many of the establishments as Al Rafa. And with my name as the one who started this, Dr. Mopen's group as the umbrella. Now we thought that we have to change it and make it into a unified brand. So instead of Dr. Mopen's group, we are now calling it DM Healthcare, which DM is Dr. Mopen. DM Healthcare will be the one which will be the corporate establishment, under which we will have other things other than Aster too, which we will tell you. Aster is the consolidation of 4 verticals that we already have. One is the farm clinics, which is the one with which we started and which has large numbers, which is given in the press release. We have the med shops, which are the pharmacies, the diagnostic centers, the Medinova, and Al Rafa Hospital and other hospitals, which are the hospital groups. So there are 4 verticals which are coming under this, and all this will now be known as Aster Hospital, Aster Medical Center, Aster Pharmacy, and Aster Diagnostic Center. That will help a lot the organization, the corporates like the insurance and all, to enroll into this network and get the services for their customers across many geographies, not only in UAE, but also in other GCC countries, and as well as outside GCC, like back home in India and all. So that is benefit for the organization, because for us it becomes much more easier to tell that something which reflects in 80 places. That wave is created all over the network. So for us it's a huge advantage. And for the corporates it's advantageous because they can trust us and enroll into it. But much more than that, we think that the benefit is for the customers, the patients. The benefit is they get the advantage of being identified, recognized, and privileged across this network, wherever they go. They are registered into a clinic in Dubai. If they shift to Sharjah, or if they go to Abu Dhabi, if they go to another GCC country, or if they go back to their home, we want to create in the subcontinent, other countries too. They will have the advantage of having this connection. And it is not just carrying a card. We want to connect it through network, through the system, through our CRM,